Are you ready to experience the future of speed and elegance? Meet the Aston Martin Valiant, the ultimate track-focused beast, inspired by a racing legend and designed for those who crave power and performance. Let's dive into the world of the Valiant and see what makes it a true masterpiece. Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about high-performance cars and love discovering the latest automotive marvels, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, we have an extraordinary machine to review, the Aston Martin Valiant. Let's get started. Engine and specification. The Aston Martin Valiant is not just a car, it's a road-legal machine hyper-focused for track duty. Inspired by Fernando Alonso's desire for a crazier version of the valour, the Valiant is powered by a twin-turbocharged 5.2-litre V12 engine. This powerhouse produces an astonishing 735 horsepower and 555 lb-ft of torque. Aston Martin has paired this engine with a 6-speed manual gearbox, delivering power directly to the rear wheels. To keep this beast grounded, it features 21-inch magnesium wheels wrapped in 275-section tires at the front and 325s at the rear. These wheels are fitted with carbon fiber aero discs, inspired by the legendary Aston Martin racing car, the Rhone, also known as the Muncher. The Valiant's exterior is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, featuring a large chin spoiler, wild side skirts, a huge diffuser, and a fixed rear wing. Exterior impressions. From the moment you lay eyes on the Aston Martin Valiant, you know it's something special. The carbon fiber body, the aggressive box flares, and the sleek rear louvers all contribute to its striking appearance. The one-piece clamshell rear bit of bodywork and the fixed rear wing not only look fantastic, but also enhance its aerodynamic performance. This car isn't just about looks, it's designed to perform. Interior features. Step inside the Valiant, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for performance. The interior features performance seats, a rear half roll cage, and a significant amount of exposed carbon fiber. The centerpiece of the cabin is the shifter with its exposed linkage, a nod to the car's track-focused nature. Every detail inside the Valiant speaks to its purpose to go fast and look stunning while doing so. Performance. Performance is where the Aston Martin Valiant truly shines. To ensure it's at the top of its game, Aston Martin has equipped it with adaptive spool valve dampers from Multimatic. The drive modes Sport, Sport Plus, and Track have been recalibrated to allow for at-the-limit driving. The Valiant is also fitted with sizable carbon ceramic brakes, 16-inch rotors at the front, and just over 14 inches at the rear to ensure it can rein in its incredible speed. Aston Martin has gone above and beyond to keep the Valiant light and agile. The rear subframe is 3D printed. It features a magnesium driveshaft, a titanium exhaust, a motorsport-specific battery, and far fewer interior creature comforts than typical luxury cars. Now, let's talk exclusivity. Aston Martin is limiting the production of the Valiant to just 38 units. The first one is built for Fernando Alonso himself, who will debut it at the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed. After that, only 37 more will be made, and it's safe to say they're likely already spoken for. This level of exclusivity means that owning a Valiant isn't just about having a car, it's about being part of an elite group of enthusiasts. The Aston Martin Valiant is a testament to what happens when engineering excellence meets a passion for speed and performance. It's a car that looks stunning, performs exceptionally, and is crafted with the highest attention to detail. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more incredible cars, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.